A lively ocean-themed jingle fills the air as Kaylani and Amir stand before a vibrant ocean backdrop, their smiles radiating pure joy. Kaylani's eyes sparkle with excitement as she announces, "Welcome to Ocean Week." Amir, equally thrilled, urges, "Grab your goggles for an underwater adventure." Together, their voices blend in a cheerful invitation. Let's splash into learning. The narrator stands center stage, their smile inviting the audience into a world of wonder. Kaylani, eyes sparkling with passion, points to a sea turtle dancing through the waves on the screen. Amir, a whirlwind of energy, bounces with excitement, his eyes glued to the screen. "A jellyfish! Look how wiggly it is!" Amir exclaims, his voice filled with delight. Kaylani adds, "And there's a clownfish swimming by." The narrator's voice fills the room, painting vivid pictures of the sea's inhabitants: octopus, dolphin, starfish, crab. The narrator challenges, "Can you name another sea animal?" Amir, with a concentrated gaze, brings a fish to life with strokes of blue and yellow. Kaylani proudly holds up her artwork, showcasing a pink fish adorned with vibrant purple spots. Amir asks, "What colors will you use?" Kaylani echoes the invitation. "What colors will you use?" A voice narrates, "Red fish, blue fish, green fish too. Color your fish, it's all up to you." Viewers are prompted to hold up their drawings and show off their colorful fish. Kaylani and Amir stand center stage, their smiles radiating pure joy as the opening notes of Baby Shark erupt through the studio. As the music swells, they burst into the song, their movements mirroring each other in perfect harmony. Amir's hands slice through the air, conjuring the image of a shark fin gliding through the water. Kaylani's eyes sparkle with infectious energy as she claps along, her enthusiasm filling the studio. "Swim like sharks," Amir urges, wiggling his body to demonstrate the playful motion. "Wiggle like an octopus," Kaylani chimes in, her arms flowing in graceful, undulating motions. "Float like jellyfish," she whispers, her movements slowing, becoming ethereal and dreamlike. "Splash like dolphins," she cries, her hands creating playful waves in the air, mimicking the joyful leaps of dolphins. "Can you do the shark dance with us?" Kaylani asks, her eyes sparkling with anticipation. The studio is brightly lit as Kaylani begins a quick quiz. "Which animal has 8 arms?" Kaylani asks, her voice full of enthusiasm. "Octopus," the narrator responds promptly. Amir steps forward, his curiosity piqued. "What fish is orange with white stripes?" "Clownfish," the narrator answers with a cheerful tone. Kaylani turns to the audience, her eyes sparkling with curiosity. "What did you color your fish today?" The studio bursts with light and ocean-themed decorations as Kaylani and Amir beam at the camera. A booming voice fills the studio. "Congratulations to our ocean explorers." Kaylani, her eyes sparkling, expresses, "Thank you for joining us under the sea today." Amir chimes in, his voice filled with enthusiasm. "Remember to color more fish and practice your ocean dance." Together, Kaylani and Amir bid farewell. See you next time for more fun with Kaylani and Amir. Bye-bye. The studio fills with cheerful, ocean-themed outro music.